Hello, good morning. Again, we are discussing the protection from diseases. So, to understand the diseases, some deficient diseases already we have discussed, and now we are discussing if the mineral deficiency is there and the cause of the mineral deficiency, some diseases are there. So, the mineral, particularly the calcium, if the calcium is shortage, then actually calcium functions like this thing. It helps to grow the bones, teeth. It helps to regulate the heart and the muscles. So if the calcium is shortage, so defective bones and teeth will be formed, and it will be creating the irregular heartbeat. It will delay the blood clotting. Just to remove this problem, the shortage of calcium in the food diet, so we have to include milk, butter, green veggies, potato, eggs and meat in our diet, regular diet, so that the proper amount of calcium will be reaching to the body and the deficiency symptom will not be observed. Next, if the phosphorus is deficient, actually phosphorus, what function phosphorus is doing? Phosphorus is helping to stimulate the bones and it helps to form the teeth. So the shortage of phosphorus can cause by the defective bones and teeth, and it will be giving the weakness of the body. If the bones and teeth are not proper strength, then the body will not be with the full strength. That's why the body will be weak body. And just to fulfill the shortage of phosphorus, we have to add, we have to include grain foods. Grain means grams, peas, beans, vegetables, fruits, liver, eggs must be included in our diet, so that the deficiency of phosphorus will be fulfilled. So if the iron is shortage, actually what iron helps us to do, actually it take part in the hemoglobin of the blood. Hemoglobin, the iron is functioning in the hemoglobin in the blood, and you know the blood is carrying oxygen and the nutrients throughout the body. So when the iron will not be present in the proper quantity in the blood, so the shortage of iron will be causing the anemia. That means less blood in the body, blood will not be functioning properly. Acute lack of blood will be less hemoglobin in the blood, less oxygen supply to the different organs, and due to less oxygen supply in the different organs, so different organs cannot function properly. So that's why we have to remove the deficiency of iron in our body, and for that thing we have to include green leafy vegetables, peas, fruits, liver, eggs and grains in our food item we have to include, so that the deficiency of iron will be removed and we can live healthy. If the iron is shortage, iron functions in the body, it helps to create the thyroid hormones, and thyroid hormone is very much important hormone which in our body functioning. And if the proper amount of hormone, thyroid hormone is not created, so naturally body will not be functioning properly and different type of diseases will be formed. And that's why it will be showing goitre, it is the swelling of neck region and the retardation of growth of the body will not be proper and it will be delayed. So just to remove the iodine deficiency, we must include the use of iodized salt, and we must include seafood in our diet, so that the diet will be a nutritious diet and no deficiency of minerals will be there, and the cause of this type of diseases will be removed. Thank you.